Welcome to Siddhas Yoga Dandam first day training. See this our friend is doing Yoga Dandam first day. Everyone keep the Yoga Dandam as in the left hand only. See the left hand as here your wrist is in rest as like that. No need of any kind of mudras, no need of any kind of mantra chanting, no prayers, no jabas, nothing need. You can sit as comfortable as in your floor or even bed or even a chair, whatever are possible, because the yoga dandam is doing is not a small yoga exercise or a meditation technique. It is a penance technique. You must do it whatever time, whenever time you can try this lifelong time, whatever possible time when you are traveling in a bus, car, flight, anywhere you are standing waiting in marketplace, bus stand, any place, worship place, temples, mandirs, school, college, business place, workstations, anywhere you can stand as you are comfortable, push whatever possible. If you are not able to do like that, you can sit in the chair also. You can sit in a chair, whatever possible. Keep your legs like that. Stand straightly, sit straightly, properly. You can keep this yoga dandam in left hand. Okay, place your yoga dandam like that. No need of mantra, mudras like that. Just close your eyes. You can continue able to try your yoga dandam penance. Now you can close your eyes. Now he is sitting in the floor, whatever possible. Now immediately, if you are closing your eyes, keeping this yoga dandam like that, even a child, 3-year-old child is able to do this yoga dandam trial, experience in their own language, own experience. Here is Vata, Pitta, Kapha, 3 pulses are just smoothly touched by this yoga dandam. Don't force here like that don't force here. Just keep as very smooth and soft, very smooth and soft. Keep like that. See, immediately his pineal gland will be activated. The cosmic energy through the with his aura, it will come to the top of the head and spread to the whole body. The cosmic energy come to the top of the head and the forehead and the whole brain, inner brain, and the eyes, Atmalinga, pineal gland, and pituitary gland, and the face, whole face, and the nose, teeth, mouth, and the shoulder, and the backbone, and the hand, fingers, all fingers, and the chest, and lungs, and heart, and stomach, and the abdomen, and thighs, and knees, and the legs, and the palm part, and the fingers, and top to bottom, from bottom to top, the cosmic energy will be really regenerated and experienced in their own experience. Even a 3-year-old child also able to do this exercise and experience. No one can able to explain in any language, any words. It is the personal experience by anybody's who are trying this yoga dandam. Very, very simple technique of our Siddha secrets. Our ancient Tamil and Indian Siddhas did this penance. This is the difference between the meditation and penance. We know the mind is in some stages: conscious, unconscious, and subconscious, and transcendental. This is the more all than transcendental stage. This is called as penance transcendental stage. So only the siddhas know about this. They made many methods to this kind of yoga danda practice, and we are giving very simple exercise. Just you can sit down as your possible place wherever and try your this method for 21 minutes compulsory. 21 minutes you can sit like that. No, if you are feeling first day any uncomfortable to sit here like that, you can shake your body, you can change your body style, but ever you can 21 minutes you can keep this yoga dandam only in the left hand only. You can change the place, just you can able to change the place here to here. If you are feeling some difficult to do this first day only, if you are able to change this yoga dandam to just you can move here to here. Just if you need only, if you are able to your cosmic energy coming upon your top of the head and spread over your whole body. If you are uneasy to sit down like, you can change your body style, body method, but never open your eyes, never change this position. The two positions are important for the minimum time of 21 minutes. Minimum time of 21 minutes, you must keep your eyes closely and keep this left hand as like that. Now you can open your eyes. Okay, thank you. Now the next position, you can keep the yoga danda in floor. Come forward. Before you can sleep, you can sit in your bed or anywhere like this position and turn to your left side. Turn to the left side. Every gents, males are keeping lie down as in the left side only. Ladies must lie down in the right side. Now you can come as this center position. Keep your right leg. This is his right leg. Right leg is up. Right leg is up. Two fingers in. Two fingers. Two four fingers like that. The left hand 4 fingers like that. See, left hand palm is in the below. Left hand palm is below. The 4 fingers is high. The right hand 4 fingers has his palm is like that. Okay, close your eyes for 5 minutes compulsory. This is called Yoga Nidra. Very, very effectively you must do after the yoga danda first day training. So you must do this Yoga Nidra. Your right leg, this is right leg to this front. You can keep right leg is like up, and the left hand 4 finger is like just keep for 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Now open your eyes. Remove your hands and legs and turn to the left side. Turn to the left side. Now you can try to stand up. Thank you very much. How about this Yogadana first day?
I good feel energy, whole body and mind.
Thank you. Welcome. This is the first day program. Any doubts, any clearance, please call me. Yogadandam Pon Parthasarathi, Vadavalli, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India.